So I thought I would continue this journey with you, just being that it is our very first Princess cruise, our very first Alaskan cruise. And I wanted to share with you guys as a novice, for all of you that may also be novices, or just those that want to join me in my little adventure with this new Alaska trip that's coming up. So we received in the mail yesterday our Princess little package. It's a little padded envelope, and inside is our medallions. And when you open up your package, you will find a little cardboard mailer, has a little seal on it. And when you open this up, how exciting, you will find your medallions. In our case, there's 2 in here, one for myself and one for my husband. They are very lightweight. Has the Princess logo on it. It has your name as well as your ship name and the date of your sailing. And it did come with this cute little lanyard. It's got the little Princess logo on it as well. So this is going to be key for our cruise. Not only the key to our room, literally, but also the key to all the experiences on board Princess Cruise Lines. I understand this is like the greatest in cruise technology, and this will be different for us because we're used to like the little plastic ship's card. So we're excited to see how this works. And again, this is my first cruise with Princess, so this will be my first experience with this. So I can't really give you a whole lot of first-hand knowledge other than to say that I hope you stick with me, and over the next few weeks, including the week that we're on board the ship, I'll be sharing with you all the things that I learned, and I look forward to hearing your feedback on telling me all the things that you know about that I don't know about yet. So in the meantime, I hope you guys take care, and I love having you with me. See you later.